it's me, Jack. Today we are going to be playing Roblox. Today we're playing the normal elevator. Can we even go in here? No, we can't. Okay. Oh, cool! How cool! Yes, yes. Let's do this. I love this game. Ah, it won't let me go out. Oh, we're welcoming another Big Cheese. Oh no, we're welcoming Big Cheese. Okay, guys, so this is my first time. I'm actually not like using my phone to make the audio so you can hear me. I actually have a mic in front of my face so you can hear me. So yeah. What's the Big Cheese doing? Okay. Ooh, hey, gotta go. 3, 2, 1. Oh gosh! Let's walk to the another elevator. Let's get to the other elevator. Quick! Quick. You gotta get to that other elevator. Come on. Yes! I got into the other elevator. Wee! This is so much fun. Wee! Oh my gosh! Wow! Okay. So, anyways. Wait, why am I walking now? I can see the other people in there. Ah! Let's see if I can get... Okay. So, that was weird. Oh, I got a notification. Okay. Okay. So, like I said, yeah, this is a brand new video. Okay, what's this? Oh gosh, it's a jump scare. I'm not looking over there. It's a jump scare. I've played this before. But, let's see what levels we'll go on. Hold on, let me turn on my audio. Ah! Oh my god. No! The elevator! Okay, thank gosh. Okay. I'll turn down the audio. Yeah, because we don't really need the audio on. So, yeah. Yes, guys, I am playing on a computer. You used to see me play on a phone. Oh, this is like pizza. Are you serious? We can't even go out. Yeah, I can go through everybody except the Big Cheese. And that other dude. Which I have no idea who is. Last time I played this, I saw him. Eat it. I literally just like going through this girl. Ha! You guys see this? Oh my god! Someone just said H-E-L-L. Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh, this is the speedrun thing me and Dalton played a few hours ago. Huh. Oh no! Ah! No! Huh. I'll stop at 10 minutes. Huh. Oh gosh. Huh. No! I keep dying! No! Huh. I'm making it. I'm doing it. No! No! I died! Okay. I can still do this. There's only 22 something left. No, there's not a lot of time left. No! no! I'm dying. Okay, it's working. No! I died! No! I wasn't able to make it. I was so close though. So anyway, guys, this is a cool game. Even though I've played this before, it's still so cool. You get to like go through stages and yeah, that's pretty fun. My cat. I'm sorry if oh gosh. These people cheated. Okay. 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 Oh no! Okay, I think I'm doing it. No! Huh. Okay, these technically new videos are not going to be too long. They don't have to take a lot of editing to that this time. Yeah. Okay, 3, 2, okay. 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh my gosh, no! Okay. Let's see. Okay. Who gets first place? Who got first place? Didn't show us who got first place or not. But guys, this is an awesome game. You should definitely play it. It's awesome. So, yeah, no more face cam. Like I said in last video, I will not be doing face cam. Ah! Oh no! I fell out! No! Ah! I'm sorry, I was like screaming right into the mic. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Not again! No! How did I fall through that? Okay. I get this. I got this. Okay. We're all done with that. Thank God we're all done. So guys, if you want to know, why would I even say this when I'm recording? Oh gosh, I knocked my mic over. Okay. What in the world? Wow. Oh, it's iCarly! iCarly! This is iCarly! If you guys don't know what that show is, it's absolutely amazing. I'm gonna type in the chat, iCarly. iCarly. Things are meant to be, so give me your best and leave the rest to me. Leave it all to me, Lord, leave it all to me. Just leave it all to me. Yeah, guys, that's an awesome show. I love iCarly. It's an awesome show. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out. It's on Netflix. I absolutely love iCarly. It's one of the best shows ever. They just put in like the random dancing. Okay, guys. So this is gonna be my last stage until I end the video. Okay. What the world? What in the world? Okay, guys, I think I'm just gonna end it here. Goodbye.